I got a new tool. It's an unboxing. Join me. What's up YouTube? It's your boy D and this is D1 TV. Back again with another video. Today I just want to take you on a ride with me. Got an unboxing of the A7rIII. We're gonna get right into it. So there it is, guys. The unveiling, the unboxing of my new R-series camera. Comes with the battery charger, of course, shoulder strap, which many of us probably won't use, the main power cord, cable protector for when you're running cords out the side of it, and you're gonna have your FZ100 battery. They gave me an extra battery with the package that I picked up. They also threw in this nice bag here made by Ona. If any of you guys have ever heard of it, let me know. This is it. This is the bag. So I don't know if I'll be using it. Looks pretty cool. Wait a minute. Oh, that also has a strap. It's made well. So yeah, shout out to B&H. Appreciate it. So that's it. That's pretty much it. That's all I got for you guys today. It's an unboxing, basic. Wanted to show you what the I'm excited about it. What really solidified my decision on moving forward, because I've been shooting my videos on this, the A6300, and it's what I'm shooting my videos on now. I've been shooting my portrait work, running my business with the A7 for a long time. Great camera. Then I bought the A7rIII used. That's also a great camera. But now I decided I'm going to sell all my gear except for the 6300 and move forward to the A7rIII for the resolution. I want to use my lenses in crop mode, and I want to maximize my kit, maximize my lenses. So I figured with this A7rIII, it's going to be the best way to do that. So I'm excited about getting this out on the road, out on the grind, and I'll keep you guys posted. Let's have fun. Like we always say, get out there, live, love, and enjoy life before it's over. Peace. Catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.